Welcome back to CAD/CAM design tutorial. Today we are going to draw this type of exercise on SolidWork. This is our final object. Now show in this slide all dimensions are in mm. Click on new part. OK. First of all, change centimeter to dimension millimeter. Now go through front plane, sketch normal. Now draw center point rectangle. Now one more center point rectangle like this. Now give a dimension to these rectangles and draw one more center line like this. Now give a dimension, this will be 150, this will be 15 mm, this will be 9 mm, and this will be 80 mm. Little bit change, this will be 90 mm. Now see, our drawing is fully defined. Now remove extra internal line is. Now select this power trim and select this extra edges. Now see, our sketch will be done. Now OK and exit sketch. Now go through extrude. This will be one side. Now select midi plane. Now see, and this dimension will be 75. Now see, now done. This will be both side, means midi plane extrude. Now select this face, sketch and normal. Now draw one circle on this face. Now give a dimension to this circle, this will be 52 mm. Now exit sketch. Now extrude this circle up to 55 mm. Now this will be done. Now OK. Now select this face, sketch. Now this sketch will be normal. Now one more draw circle on this face. Now give a dimension to the circle, diameter, this will be 35 mm. Now exit sketch and extrude cut. Now select through all. Now see, this will be done. Now OK. Now select this face, sketch will be normal. Now draw one more circle on this face like this. Give a dimension, this will be 42 mm. Now little bit change this dimension, this will be 45 mm. Now exit sketch. Now this will be go through feature, extrude cut. Now this will be extrude cut up to 9 mm. Now see the preview. Now done. Now select this face, sketch. The sketch will be normal. Now select the circle to draw on this side. Now give a dimension to this center point to this line will be 15 mm, and this point to this line will be 15 mm. Now the circle diameter will be 10 mm. Now done. Now select linear pattern, go through linear pattern. Now select this circle first. Now Now see, x direction will be 2 entity. Now done. Now y direction will be also 2 entity. This will be done. Now change the degree to 70 degree, 270 degree. Now this dimension total 150, 150 minus 30. This will be 120, 120. Now this will be done. Now on y direction, select 75 minus 30. This will be 45. Now this dimension will be 45. Now done. Now go through exit sketch and select this feature and extrude cut, and select through all. Now see, this will be done. Now okay. Now done. Now select this face sketch. The sketch will be normal. Now draw one center line on this side. Now draw one circle on this center line. Dimension of this circle will be 35 mm, and this line to this center point dimension will be 25 mm. Now this will be done. Now go through simply OK and exit sketch, and go through feature, extrude, on this reverse side this dimension will be 19 mm, 19 mm. Now this will be done. Now through OK. Now select this face and sketch. Now draw one circle. Dimension of the circle, diameter of the circle will be 25 mm. Now done. Now exit sketch, go to feature, extrude cut. Now this will be through all. Now this will be not. Now this will be blind, and drag it on this side like this. Now done. Now this will be done. Now go through the our half part done. Now select this face sketch, and this sketch will be normal. Now draw one rectangle on this center rectangle like this. Now this will be 10, this will be 30. Now done. Now exit sketch and go through feature and extrude cut. This dimension will be 25 mm. Now go through, simply click OK. Now this will be done. Now go through first for front plane sketch, and this sketch will be normal. Now draw sketch on this front plane like this. Now done. Now give a, now simply defined this dimension. Now this dimension is already defined. Now our 2D sketch will be done. Now this is fully defined, our drawing. Now go through exit sketch. Now extrude. Now select this middle plane extrude, and the dimension will be 10 mm. Now this will be done. Now done. Now simply see the preview. Now apply couple of round on these edges. Now this dimension will be 10 mm. Now select this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge, this, and this edge. Now this will be done. Now click OK. Now show the preview or object. Select this edge and select this edge. Now simply go through done. OK. Now see the preview of our object. Now our object will be done. See the preview. Now applying appearance. Now go through appearance. Now go through metal, bronze. See apply full body. Now one more time. Now go through steel. Select this inside face. Now done. One time select this in this side. Now this will be done. See. Now applying this bottom side of this object. Now this will be done. Now some different appearance applying. Now our object will be done. See the preview of our object. Click this and off real view graphic. Now see our object real view graphic off. See the preview without real view graphic. Now go through OK and click on this and see the preview real view graphic. Now our object will be done. Like video, share and subscribe channel for more tutorial.